Shout out to all the agents, all the real estate agents all over the world that pay Zillow for leads. If you pay Zillow for leads, meaning customers' contact information, their name, their email, their phone number, give yourself a pat on the back because you just canceled yourself. You are the reason realtors are becoming obsolete. So thank you for spending all your money with Zillow, the Zillow machine. Good job. Listen, if you appreciate client first service over mouse clicks, connect with me. I'm the KeyToSC.com realtor, and I am merging technology with real, genuine care for people. I'm redefining the real estate business. If you're looking to buy or sell in the upstate, contact me today. I'll be glad to help.